those rules here, that you add two numbers and you get a fixed constant, or that you first multiply a number and then you add and you get a fixed constant, they all gave us lines, straight lines. So the first thing that we got from here is that we could change the slope. Remember, we could change how steep. So this was our brown line and this was our green line, and the brown line was steeper than the green line because we put that 2 in there. So the other thing you can do is change that 2. You make it 3. Well, if you made it 3, you would make it even steeper. And if you put a 4 in there, you would make it even steeper. Well, but can we do something more fancy? Because these are all straight lines after all. A number plus another number equals 10. Well, you can do something different. You can do the first number square plus the second number square equals 10. Actually, since we put square and square, why don't we put a square there? That would work. How would that look here on this graph? Well, let's just say if we make a 0 in there, then what we need there is 10, because 10 square is equal to 10 square. So a 0 here would go to 9, 10. But what if I put 1? Well, now it's a bit more complicated, right? So let's just put 1 here. So now you need something here. Well, if that's 100 and that's 1, then what you need here is 99. But you don't put 99 there, because if you do 99 square, that will blow your mind. 99 square is too big. So what you need is something that when you square it, you get 99. Let's try to put 10 in there. Well, 10 is not going to work, because 10 times 10 is 100, so that's more than 99. I know that it's going to be close to 10, closer to 10 than it's closer to 9, so that's 1 and then something there. So we more or less know how this one starts. It starts off like this. And you can do that for all these numbers in between, but there are some that are very easy to do. For example, you can do 10. Because if you do 10 square plus blank square equals 10 square, well, you know that that needs to be 0. So you have that point. So if you keep doing, what you're going to discover is that this makes up, and I'm not going to do it well, but it makes up what should look like a circle. Is that the only circle you can get? What about if I want a circle that crosses 4? Well, if it crosses 4, it's going to cross minus 4 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 there, and 4 there. So now I'm going to try to do a better circle. That's a better circle. And what it would have to look like? It would have to be blank square plus blank square equals 4 square. That's the circle that goes with 4. So you can do circles that pass any of those numbers. All that you need to do is to change this constant here.